Well, here it is, springtime. It's a beautiful day. We're thinking about our gardens and our patios. We're out here with Diana out at Terra Casa. And what are we looking at today?
We're looking at concrete fountains and bird baths.
And you have an amazing selection out here.
We do. We have a great expanded selection. Our concrete bird baths did really well last year because they have a little tiny bubble. The birds love to sit on the edge. They love to take a bath and get a drink. And there's quite a few different ones to choose from this year.
And so with all these, lots of different styles, people coming out, they're looking at what they want to do for their garden and they pick one out. How, do they get to take it home that day?
They can certainly take it home that day. If they'd like us to come and set it up for them, we can do that too. These concrete, it's very, very heavy, but some of them are small. But anytime it gets to a fountain, they weigh hundreds, if not thousands of pounds, and we're happy to come set it up for them.
And so you have a service that will do that, take it out, and then you give them all the care and what they're supposed to do with all of that. And with such an amazing selection and so many choices to choose from, what, as a homeowner, should they be looking at for?
So what I consider the backyard to be a sanctuary of sorts, and everyone has a different kind of look that they have going on. I like to watch the birds, so I would probably place a bird bath or a fountain in general somewhere where I could see it. A lot of our glazed pottery we turn into fountains, which the birds love as well. But I would make sure it's something you could hear and you could see from your home at all times.
And is that something that, if they purchase it here, you can help the homeowner with
Absolutely, yes. And it's good to have electrical within about 15 to 20 feet of where we're setting these up, because even though you can use an extension cord, and we have a really great extension cord that works well outside, you do need power, and you want to make sure that your bubblers and your fountains are going at all times.
Right, and so if they see something out here that maybe I want a little different color, you have a huge selection of pottery. And
yes.
So you can turn anything into a fountain?
Any pot that we have here, we can turn into a fountain. We can double stack them. We can have single large fountains. We can have little tiny ones. Self-contained that go right on your patio. They don't even need a reservoir, and you can have big bubbles, small bubbles, and
so it seems like you kind of take the guesswork out of
we try
out of everything. So they can pick out what they're looking for.
Exactly.
You guys can help get it all set up and get them all taken care of.
Right.
So now, if you have a fountain at home that's already in existence, you'll come out and take care of that too.
Yes,
right?
we do maintenance service as well. We can come clean them. We can troubleshoot if they're having issues with the pumps. But we have a crew of people that can come out and help with we don't do ponds necessarily, but anything having to do with one of these fountains, we can certainly work on.
Which is a pretty great service to have.
It is.
So,
yes.
With such an amazing selection out here and the variety and the ability to have it set up and delivered, it's definitely a great place to come out. So come on out to Terra Casa and look at your great selection. It's a pleasure being out here to see what you have going on.
Thank you.